Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hello everybody. This is EB015 Basic Engineering Computer Design CAD Drawing. And we're going to look at task 1 Plane Drawing. So this is actually the first part of this topic. Right, before we begin, please make sure student sign in your attendance. Okay, refer to your lecturer on how to sign in for attendance. Alright, next, this is our learning outcome. At the end of this lesson, students should be able to perform 2D drawing using Computer Design CAD. And if you refer to Basic Engineering 1 Lab Manual, this is all the procedures we're going to do for task 1 plane drawing. And this is the drawing will look like. We have a title block, and within the title block we have a drawing, and these are the dimensions that you want to know. The size of A4, the title block size, and so on. Alright, let's jump off into the main business. Now you have opened your Autocad and open a new file in this icon here. Just click on the icon and we have several options, and please select CAD ISO and then open. Now we have to set our limits. So limits is actually the A4 size paper. So I've shown before. You have to set our first length by having our first point lower left corner, and so we set to 0, 0 coordinates. It's using coordinate system. And now the upper right corner 297 to 10. Okay, now we want to zoom all. How to zoom all? You type Z, enter, and then type A and then enter. Alright, now let's draw a line. Our first line for our title block, so it started from coordinate 10 and 10. So it's coordinate x and y, x10, y10. So we want to make our next point. The line should go to the next point. Right, we can also use auto mode on, so make sure your auto mode is on. Okay, click on that icon and we light on, and bring your cursor or your pointer to the direction of the line that you want, and give the distance, so 277, and then we just click enter. Alright, this is for the left, and this is, so that one is for the length, and this is for the left side. So notice this, I'm just putting the line there without, it looks like at the beginning it looks like it's accurate. Okay, but it's actually not like this one. It looks accurate okay, it looks precise, but it's actually not when I'm zooming in. Okay, so now we're going to erase this line, and then we have to object snap on first. So this is the icon here, just click it on. Right, it's like on, and then there is several options there on the arrow. You click arrow, and then you have to take several options that you want to track. So object snap is like a tracker. So notice this, I'm tracking the end point. There's a symbol there, a square shape symbol. Now you can see that it's very precise. If I'm zooming in even deeper, it's still intact. Alright, now let's do offset command. We can just click on the icon there on the modify box, or we can just command offset, and then we command offset and enter, and we have to specify the distance for the offset first. So I'm going to make a 10 mm distance and select the bottom line here. Alright, please make sure you pause the video and try by yourself to offset the left side line by 100. Okay, anyway, I'm going to show you how to do it. So offset and then set the distance 100, and click on the reference line and bring to the right. Okay, and click. Alright, so take your time and pause the video and find out how to do trim. What is trim? What is the difference between trim and erase? Anyway, so we can just select trim on the icon there within the modify box, or we can just simply command TR and then enter. And then this is AutoCAD 2021 version, so it's easy. You just click on the line that you want to erase, on the part you want to erase. Okay, but for different version, older version, it might be different. You have to explore by your own. That is your task. You can actually zoom and pan accordingly by using your mouse if you have a roller mouse. Right. Let's move on to annotate. Okay, over here right now I'm showing you how to do M-text, multi-line text. So we can just click on the icon there, multi-line text, and select multi-line text, or we can just command M-text by typing in MTEXT. Now we have to specify our first corner, and then the other corner, just like box. Now we have our box, and then we have to type down what you want to have here. Right now this one is based on your manual. We have to show our name here, so I'm just gonna put, okay, make sure you put your full name here. Okay. Alright, we want to copy and paste. So Control V and then Control C and Control V. And you Control V every time. And make sure you put your pointer to the place that you want. And then later you click Control V. Okay, you want to adjust the position, the location of your name. Right now it's quite difficult because I'm on the auto mode and the object snap. So you want to off it first. Right now I'm clicking it, both of them, and then now I can easily move it, okay, easily without any distraction. Alright, now we're going to rename. Just double click on each text and then put the right words for each box. So I'm going to go quickly for here. We have metric number, group, task, and then the dates. You can use zoom all, Z, enter, A, enter. And that's it for our title block. Alright, for your task, please draw your own title block. Make sure you change everything. And that's all. Thank you very much. See you in the next part.